In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Romwe Gift Card 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know where to find a Romwe gift card, how to buy it securely, and how to redeem it so the balance is ready to use at checkout. First, let's talk availability. In 2025, Romwe gift cards are typically offered in a few places, but it does depend on your country. Start by checking the official Romwe website or app for your region. Make sure you're viewing the correct country version of the site so you see accurate options and currencies. If you don't see a gift card section there, look at authorized partner gift card marketplaces in your area, which often list Romwe alongside other brands. Occasionally, you'll also find limited promotional campaigns where gift cards are offered as part of a deal. Because these promos can be time limited and region specific, always review the terms before you rely on them. Once you've found a legitimate source, it's time to purchase. Head to the official gift card page or the trusted partner store, choose your amount. Common options include 10, 25, or 50 or 50 in your local currency, and confirm whether it's a digital card. You'll be asked for an email address, either yours or the recipient's. Double check this carefully since the code is delivered by email and typos can delay delivery. Proceed to payment and use a credit or debit card or PayPal if it's available in your region. After payment, the gift card code is sent to the email you provided. If it doesn't appear within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder and keep that email safe since it contains the code you'll redeem. To redeem, sign into your Romwe account. Navigate to My Account, then look for the gift card or wallet section. Paste or type in the gift card code exactly as it appears and submit. Your balance should be added instantly. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or recheck the code for common mix-ups like the number 0 and the letter O. Ensure your account region matches the region of the gift card to avoid errors. Once the balance is in your wallet, it's ready to use at checkout. When you place an order, apply your wallet or gift card balance toward the total. If your order exceeds the balance, you can pay the remainder with another method. If it's less, the leftover balance stays in your wallet for next time. That's it. Check availability in your region, purchase through an official source, watch for the email with your code, and redeem it in your Romwe account to start shopping.